in my little art world in New Mexico, I'm kind of known for my contemporary totems. And I've got a lot of them around the Santa Fe area and around the country.
Doug has been a close friend of ours for 30 years.
He shared with us a vision that he had had for 25 years or so of a grouping of tall contemporary totems. We decided that we would help him realize his dream. And his dream was that it be somewhere in Kansas because he's a native son.
5 totems, I think, creates more of a dynamic tension in a way. You know, there's something there. It was perfect for this space. And the height, the sky is the background, and that was always my intention, for people to stand on the ground and be forced to look up into the heavens to really see what the whole piece is about. And so this has a great building background. The building's cool, and I like the dark color, and then the sky background just kind of connects it to nature.
Well, I think throughout Doug's work of all kinds of different media, he uses Native American symbolism, yet it is his own vision. It's not a replica of anything. It just comes out of his heart. And he has, I think, a very strong spiritual streak. And so he shares that with us, and it's been very meaningful to have that connection and share it with Doug.
And I never expected any of this. I mean, here I am, a half-breed Indian from Lawrence, Kansas, and life has turned out better than I kind of expected, because I'm an artist who somehow some luck came his way. But this is the biggest, best thing I've ever done. And my friends the Nolans, they're locals here, and they made this possible. Somebody's got to fund it, and they did. But it's always been my totem series that has been my signature style, inspiration, what I'm curious about, to keep pushing it forward and see what I can do.
This gives the students here an opportunity to see what can happen if they have an interest in art, to see how it can express itself if they follow their dream about it. Doug said, I hope that I can inspire some future artists that might be among the student body here. This might be a meaningful way to do that.
Maybe people who see this, students, will say, hey, if this guy from Lawrence can do it, maybe I can do something too, because there's an audience out there if you work hard enough to find it.